Hello, baby Nina. How are you doing? Fine. How was the fasting? Yeah, we are getting to the end of it. Yeah, mashallah. How's your home and your parents? Lafia wallahi. Yeah, I'm still at Dubai, but we'll soon come back, inshallah. Abaya? What is abaya? The number you've been calling? No, 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 no. You called me, but I was busy. That's why I didn't pick the call. Just skip it about the abaya. I don't even know what is abaya. Seriously, just yeah. Just forget about it. I must. What kind of life is this? I don't know. I don't know it. Dole ne? Huh? Get out of my sight. Abaya gidanku. Kaki dame ni. Bana son iskanci.